they put these cones out, they never think about the width of big trucks. You're always like half off the road and on the shoulder, and sometimes the shoulders are soft. Look at this. Look at this a-hole. Look at that. He's so impatient, he's more important than the rest of us. Ridiculous. Gotta love Floridians. We got it all figured out, y'all. Nobody does it like us. What's crazy is if he could fit, he'd drive by on the shoulder. Because in his world, that's perfectly normal and acceptable. You know, that's a perfectly normal and acceptable driving habit, a driving practice. To their credit, at least it's not in the middle of rush hour. Here he comes. He blew the horn at me. I was the crazy one. He was behind us, thought he would come out and pass, and there was no lane for him, and he was going to try and squeeze by on the shoulder and hit my truck. I blew the horn to stop him, and then he comes by and he blows the horn at me because he couldn't get his way. He couldn't drive on the shoulder. We were supposed to stop and let His Royal Highness pass, and we didn't. Oh, the ridiculousness. I'm telling you, we've got it all figured out in Florida. Can't tell us anything.